Your guide to using WBTC on JustLend TRON. Step 1. Get WBTC on TRON. Before you can use WBTC, you need WBTC on the TRON network. Make sure you have assets in your TRON wallet. Bridge or withdraw your assets to TRON if you don't. Next, connect your wallet to Sun.io and swap your tokens for WBTC. Step 2. Go to JustLend. Head to app.justlend.org and connect your wallet. Navigate to the WBTC market. Step 3. Supply to the market. Click Supply. Enter the amount of WBTC you want to supply. Approve the transactions and confirm. Your rewards are based on your share of the market. Step 4. Track and manage. View your position under account status at the homepage. You can add or withdraw WBTC at any time.